Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing well and having a good week so far. So in today's video, I'm doing another memory spread, and this one's going to be for the week of August the 23rd through the 29th. And I'm using this really cute printable kit from PinkPlannerShop. And if you're newer to digital planning and curious as to how I use printable kits in this digital planner, you can go check out my video. I believe it's called how I save and organize my stickers, and I'll be sure to link it down below and also put up a card. But in that video I go over how I crop out all the individual stickers, how I save them, and everything like that. So just a side note, but I thought that'd be helpful for some of you. And I just went ahead and started off this spread by laying down the bottom washi and date covers, and then moved on to working on the sidebar. So this kit had this really cute double box that I thought would be perfect here in the sidebar because I don't really need all this space in a memory spread. So I went ahead and placed that down here. And then at the bottom, I did put down one Monday through Sunday box just to track a memory from each day. And then after I finished off the sidebar, I realized that I had forgot to put down all the full boxes across the week because I like to get those down first. But before I paused to do that, I finished filling out this first section on Monday. So I started off by placing down a to-do list. And to make this 3-heart checklist, I just went ahead and cropped down one of the full check boxes. And then I wrote down that I washed all my bedding and pillows. And then I also had to make a call. So to show that, I used this orange label and a cell phone icon from the kit. And then lastly in this section, I just placed down a flag and a heart icon from a PrintPetticoatBandit kit to show that I made some flour tortillas. Then after placing down all the full boxes across the week, I went back to Monday and marked softball practice with this half box. And I think these are little tarot card icons. I know that's totally like unrelated to softball, but there were just enough of them in the kit to use for each day of practice. So I went with that. And then after practice, I came home and filmed a plan with me video. So to show that, I used this planner icon from the kit. And then at the bottom, I placed down a label and this cute little bundle of sage and wrote in that I just relaxed for the rest of the night. So first thing Tuesday morning, I picked up a coffee from Dutch Bros. So I used a label and this adorable little cup icon from the kit for that. Then after grabbing coffee, I spent the rest of the morning editing a video before heading over to the college the afternoon to catch a bullpen for one of the pitchers. And then again, I marked practice in the same way, just with a different little tarot card icon. Then after filling out my checklist for the day, I used another random sticker from the kit to mark that I organized my whole desk area. And then I spent some time journaling, and to mark that I used a glittery quarter box and a bow icon from PrintPetticoatBandit. Then Wednesday is our trash day, so to mark that I used a label and a trash can icon. And then right under that I placed down a scalloped bow icon from, again, that same Print Petticoat Bandit kit I keep going back to. And that was to mark that I took some pictures for Instagram. Then since it was Wednesday, we met at the training room before practice, so I used a flag to show that and then marked practice again. And then later that night, I was just really worn out from practice and our workout that day, so I basically just spent the rest of Wednesday watching YouTube and a couple episodes of Manifest, which is such a crazy show. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I feel like it's kind of taking me forever to get through. I think I'm currently like in the middle of season 3, but have you guys seen that show? It is so good. If not, I highly recommend it. It's such a good one. I feel like I weirdly connect to the show for some reason, but everyone I've told about it loves it. So I will say though, if you're just starting, you have to make it through like the first couple episodes, because I really was not sold right away, but it definitely gets really good. So yeah, anyways, to mark watching that, I just used this little movie marquee from the kit. Okay, so under my checklist for Thursday, I used this flag and paw print icon to mark my morning walk with Sage. And then I also spent some time cleaning a few pairs of my shoes. So I used a quarter box and a little shoe icon for that. And then after practice, I caught a bullpen for another pitcher, so I used another flag to mark that. And then when I got home, I just journaled a little bit before my boyfriend came home for the weekend. Now, Friday is my day off of work since we don't have practice this day, so I just had like a slow morning, which was really nice. I just did some journaling and then I baked some cupcakes. So to show that, I pulled in a full box and just layered this little mixer icon over a circle sticker. And then I used this sticker from Print Petticoat Bandit to show that I did some planning. And then naturally, we started off our weekend by going out to the lake. So for that, I used a quarter box and this really pretty moon sticker. And then I just wrote in under that we kayaked while we were out there. And then we basically went right back out the next day to spend the day out on the boat with some friends. So to mark that, I used this square box from the kit. Then on our way home from the lake, we stopped by my boyfriend's parents' house, so I pulled in a label and a bow paperclip sticker for that. And then later that night, after doing some laundry and watching another episode of Manifest, we actually went out for some drinks. So to show that, I used a flag and then that same cup icon from the kit. Okay, so finally for Sunday, I started off the morning by cleaning up the house and picking up some groceries. So I filled out the checklist and then used this little grocery bag icon. And then to mark my walk with Sage, I used another label, and I think this is like a little scrunchie, so I felt like it was kind of fitting. And then at the very bottom, I used this desk sticker from PrintPetticoatBandit because I moved my desk into my room. And then while I was rearranging, I was also listening to a podcast, so I used a label to mark that. And then since I didn't really have the right icon for that, I just put down this little black cat sticker from the kit. And then to mark dinner, I used a scalloped corner sticker. And then for the icon, the best I could do was this little dishes sticker. So that's what I went with. And then lastly, at the very bottom, I just put down a quarter box and a push pin sticker to mark my boyfriend going back to school. Then after that, that's pretty much it for the spread. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also follow me on Instagram and check out my Etsy shop, which are both linked down below, along with everything else I used in this video. And yeah, other than that, I will talk to you guys later. Bye!